Hello everyone. Welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn stroke and will create amazing shapes through strokes. So let's start. Select line tool, click and drag. So here we have a line. Zoom it from corner. Now come to stroke panel. Here you can select weight of your stroke. Here is cap section. There are 3 types of caps. This one is simple. This is make round corners. Increase weight for better view. And third one looks same as first, but the difference is it's go little out where your point start or end. See the difference? Now make a rectangle. Zoom in. Now come to corner section. First one make straight corners. Second one make round corner and third one make cut corner. Create a rectangle of 25 mm and make 3 copies. These all are same in size. Now see the difference, only because of a line stroke. Apply stroke center. Here inside and here outside. Now see they are looking different in size, this is because of a line stroke command. If I increase size of this one, it will increase from the center. This one increase inside, and this one increase from outside. Now come to best part of stroke panel. Make a circle, and apply dashed line. Increase weight and increase dash. Make a copy of this one. Now notice when I increase weight so it's decreased the center circle area. Make a copy of this one. If I increase size of dash so they are going thick and reducing number of dashes, and if I decrease dash point so thickness is reducing and dashes are increasing. Now let's play with these settings. Okay, here we have a nice shape. Now play with these gap setting, this will increase gap between dashes. You can add multiple dashes with different size and different amount of gaps. Make a copy. Corners settings will not work on circle object obviously. Apply round caps. When you use round caps so you must apply gap for results. So increase gap, same as before you can add multiple dash and gap settings. Play with them for exercise. Make a copy, and change it to projection cap. Apply dashes and gap, setting will work same. If you increase weight it will decrease center circle and dashes react same as we did before, so play with them. One more thing, if you apply a line button so you will not have a line stroke settings. Move to next settings. Create a line. Here you can apply arrows, just select. Link them and decrease them. If you apply a line command so arrow appear after your anchor point. Make a copy of this one. Here are more setting for creating amazing shapes. Apply them, they look also very good. So that's all for stroke. If you found this helpful, like it and share it. If you have any comments, so you are welcome on comments section. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.